Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this problem, air is compressed isothermally in a compressor, and we have to determine the change in specific volume of the air. So at specified conditions, air behaves as an ideal gas. The gas constant of air, R, from our tables, is 0.3704, and this is pounds per square inch absolute times cubic feet per pound mass R. Now, at the compressor inlet, the specific volume V1 is equal to this gas constant times the temperature over the pressure P1, and this is equal to 0.3704 in the units above into the temperature of 70 plus 460 R over the pressure of 20 psi absolute. And so we get the initial specific volume to be 9.816, and that's cubic feet per pound. Now, at the compressor exit, the specific volume V2 is equal to RT over the pressure there, P2. So this is 0.3704 times the temperature, again, of 70 plus 460 all over a pressure of 150 psi. And so we get the specific volume V2 to be 1.309 cubic feet per pound mass. So now that we have V1 and V2, we can find the change in specific volume caused by the compressor. We'll call this delta V. Delta V is V2 minus V1, and this is equal to 1.309 minus 9.816. And this change in specific volume is minus 8.51 cubic feet per pound mass.